Dacia's new Jogger is presently marked down, with costs beginning from £17,145 for the 7-seat MPV. The firm has likewise uncovered the first electric Dacia with the crossover 140 model booked for 2023. The Jogger has a reasonable way of life center, with 200mm of ground leeway and SUV-propelled styling, which is matched by a lot of common sense. At simply over 4.5 meters, it's the longest Dacia model in the lineup and, similarly as with all impending Dacia models, depends on the brand's CMFB stage. The 2.9-meter wheelbase, around 30 centimeters longer than the Sandero supermini, considers up to 7 seats, albeit the Jogger is additionally accessible in 5-seat structure. Space on the back seat is okay for grown-ups and the centerline is comparative, and albeit the 60-40 split seat doesn't slide because of cost and intricacy reasons, the seat bases truly do flip, advances further developing admittance to the back. It's a pragmatic machine with great headroom as well, helped by a 40mm move forward in rooftop level between the front and the back of the traveler compartment. Other contacts that further develop ease of use incorporate collapsing outdoor tables on the front seatbacks that slide up to 70mm, as well as coordinated rooftop bars with removable segments that can be turned through 90 degrees, taking a rooftop heap of up to 80 kilograms. Boot space remains at 213 liters with every one of the 7 seats set up, ascending to 712 liters in 5-seat mode, with a most extreme conveying limit of 1,819 liters that anyone could hope to find by eliminating the rearmost seats, a simple work, as we found, with every third column seat just gauging 10 kilograms, and collapsing the subsequent line down. The Jogger presents to 24 liters of extra room spread across the glovebox, entryway containers, each holds a 1-liter jug, and a focal lidded cubby, with 6 cup holders likewise on offer.